All right, now to the US, where Donald Trump's historic hush money trial is finally nearing its end, and his defence team rested their case today. Many in the media were disappointed when the former president chose not to testify, and this brought testimonies to a close. But Donald Trump Jr. did have this to say outside of court.
What's going on here is an absolute farce, and anyone in America should be embarrassed at the absolute miscarriage of justice that we're seeing here. The star witness in this case is a 9 times convicted liar, and now an admitted thief. That is who they're hanging the entire case on. The other one happens to be a porn star. Not exactly the ultimate form of jurisprudence here.
And of course, he's referring there to Trump's former fixer and lawyer, Michael Cohen. With the Australian's Washington correspondent, Adam Creighton, joins me now. Adam, great to see you. Look, the jury's now going to start deliberations next week. What can we expect? How long do you think it's going to take?
Yeah, look, that's right. The jury gets a 6-week break now. They come back on Tuesday for the closing arguments, which the judge thinks will take just 1 day. So therefore, it's quite conceivable that by the end of next week, we have the verdict from this jury. Look, what's going to happen? I mean, it's interesting. Most of the legal scholars on TV, the experts, they don't think that the prosecution has reached a level of beyond reasonable doubt. And these include, many kind of Democrat-aligned experts. But you just can't predict with the jury. There's 7 men, there's 5 women. Interestingly, there's 2 lawyers on the jury. So that can sometimes throw a curveball. But basically, it just comes down to what they think, whether they're going to believe Michael Cohen or Donald Trump. That's really all it comes down to. And look, this jury, remember, is drawn from a voting area that I think voted for 90% for Joe Biden in 2020. So it's quite possible that there are very few Trump supporters on the jury.
Yeah, well, either way, it's kind of impossible to find any members of the jury who would not have an opinion on Donald Trump. I mean, he's one individual that I haven't met anyone who doesn't either hate him or love him.